Let me show you how to make these beautiful skirts. If it is something that you like to make, let's get started. It is very simple to achieve, and you need your basic skirt pattern. Straight skirts, not pencil pattern. That is what you need for this project. And here is mine. I'm having a full front. You already know why I'm having a full front, because the style is asymmetric style. That is, what you have at the left is different from what you have at the right side. So you need your full front. You need your full front pattern. So first thing first, you want to cut out your band depending on how wide you want your band to be. What I'm trying to say is your band height depends on you. So I'm cutting out the band, and I've told you that you need to label and indicate the direction of your band so that you don't mix things up. So we have that aside. Now that we have done that, you want to draw the style line that you are seeing on the skirt. So the next thing you want to do is to draw your style line from the dots to anywhere you want it to be here. Okay, so let's take it up a bit. Take it up a bit. Okay, so we are making use of this. Let me mark it with my marker so that we can all see it very well. So here is what we are having. We are not making use of the second one, so I'm going to clean it. So whatever you have at this side, you want to measure and repeat that at this side, right? So that they can be equal. So you want to connect it like this. I'm basically drawing what we have on the skirt pattern. So I want to use the marker to highlight it. So this is it. If you do not like what you are having, you want to redraw it. So there is another one on top, on top of this line. That is the one I want to draw now. I will use my pencil first. This is it. So I will now highlight it with my marker. Can you see that? Okay, so this is what we have now. So the next thing we are going to do is to cut out this. We'll cut it out and we'll trace out this. Let me write it on top. Trace. You trace this small one while you cut the bigger one. So I will do that now and show you. So I'll cut it out. This is it. And this is the one that I said we will trace out. So I've traced it out. This is what we are having. So the next thing we want to do now is to draw lines on it, and we are going to slash and spread it. You already know what that means. So we'll draw the lines on this one, draw lines on this, spread it and place it on another paper, and we spread it. Then we can close this dot here. You can as well close this one. It depends on you, and you can leave it. For this project, I'm going to leave the dot while I close this. So let me quickly do it and show you the outcome. Here is what we have after slashing and spreading on another paper. This is the one at the top. This is the one that will be here. Remember, we traced it out. And another thing I want to draw your attention to is the fact that at this side, I added to the side, the two sides, so that it will come out a bit. Because if you look at the skirt, you discover that it's not straight. Remember, ours was straight. We made use of straight skirt, so you need to come out a bit so that it can look exactly the way it is. So you need to transfer the two to fabric, and you bring these two together before you attach to the upper part. I hope you have found this video beneficial. If you do, please share it. And I would like to use this opportunity to let you know that we offer one-on-one tutorials where we take you through all the steps that are needed in order to perfect your sewing skill. So you can reach out to us through the number on the screen. Thank you for watching. Bye.